Okay, alright ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. Tak sampai 1 minit pun. So it's time for some real action on stage. We've had the discussion, now we see the technology in motion. Please welcome Encik Faris from the Vehicle Tech, Vertex, right? Vertex, who will be showing us how their cutting-edge system brings safety, intelligence, and touch of innovation. Encik Faris, the stage is yours.
Okey, Assalamualaikum dan selamat tengah hari kepada semua datuk-datuk, datin-datin, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan semua. Okey, so nama saya Faris dari VTech team. So this VTech was start in Singapore on 2015 and then we are dedicated for R&D telematic technologies. And then but now we are working together with Streamax team. Mr. Nigel from Streamax team. So what safety features that we want to provide today is like our video telematic solution. Before this, we are here by GPS, like monitoring vehicle system. But right now, I think we are moved to video telematic system, but not normal video telematic system, but this one including AI system. What this video telematic system can do is for monitoring driver behavior. So like like Miss Wan asking, mentioned like driver fatigue something. So this device can help prevent for driver fatigue. Okay. So this one is our platform and also our equipment, some of model like dashcam or MDVR. And then, okay, what this dashcam can do? So this dashcam is coming with 2 cameras, meaning for front and also inside the cabin, and also it also can plug in another camera for monitoring driver behavior. So what this monitoring driver we can do? So we can monitor other driver fatigue during driving and also monitor other driver wearing their seat belt or not. So if driver not wearing the seat belt, so the device will capture the alert and send to their client immediately with the videos for the evidence the driver not wearing the seat belt during the driving. And also, if the driver fatigue, we also capture the fatigue evidence and then send to the customer, and then customer can take action immediately to asking driver to take a rest. Okay. So it's not only fatigue and seatbelt, and also can monitor if driver playing mobile phone or smoking, and also like distraction, not focusing during their driving. Okay. Menjemput Mr. Dom to present for the live demo.
Wah, Dom ni banyak role lah dia hari ni. Wah, you jadi moderator, you jadi semua ha?
Okay, so our live demo, I will show the live system. Live monitoring system.
Dia bagi saya script, he gave me a script, so I have to read lah. Thank you, Faris. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. YB, Dato, Datin, and all our distinguished VIP guests here today. My name is Dominic, nama glamour Dom, okay, from Vertex Mission, and I'm honored to be standing here today with our friends from Streamax to conduct a live demonstration on board one of my SANY trucks, okay. Today, we'll be showcasing the capabilities of 2 critical technologies, which is Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, and Driver Monitoring System, DMS. As many of you know, these systems are designed to enhance driver safety, protect the cargo which the driver is bringing, and paling penting, save lives on the road, okay? Now, I won't be just talking here today. I tried to set up a live demo for you. Boleh video keluar sikit. You will get to see everything in live action firsthand. For this demonstration, I'll begin with the ADAS system. Features which shows you exactly how they work on the road, and then move on to the DMS system so you can witness how the driver is alerted when they are driving. If everything is smooth, biasalah kalau smooth, saya ambil masa 5 hingga 8 minit saja. So jangan leave the hall. Can make the, oh, you want to put like that? Okay. So joining us today is my driver and my co-driver, Adham. Okay. Oi, tak boleh dengar you. Speaker. Sabar. Relax lah. Dah cakap dah. Tak kasih chance pun. I think if they enlarge, they cannot see their...
Ada boleh test cakap.
Adham boleh cakap. Roger. Dah boleh dengar.
Hello, Roger. Roger.
Saya suruh Adham lah, bukan Ayadi jawab lah. Relax lah, di. Okay, that's Ayadi and Adham, supported by my Marcus, led by Marcus there. Okay, that's my operation guy who made everything hopefully smooth today. While Mr. Ashraf and Hussein is on standby in the pickup truck. Don't worry, I dah ada pickup truck untuk jaga dia punya traffic dekat sana. Okay, so buckle up. This won't be your normal presentation. You are going to see real life world-saving technology working right before your eyes. Okay, first punya basic, macam kita cakap tadi, safety belt. Tak pakai kan safety belt?
Okay, what?
Please fasten seatbelt.
Automatically detected. Okay, cepat-cepat pakai. Nanti accident semua dekat sini tangkap lah. Habis lah kita.
Kita ada JPJ sini ya.
JPJ pun ada sini lah. Okay, Roger. The next thing we'll be testing is the lane departure. Sudah masuk main road? Okay, belum. Masuk dulu. So the lane departure will detect if they are not putting any signal, they're weaving towards the lane. So what will happen is that they will detect that you are off the lane. Okay, U-turn. Okay, teruskan Adham. Lane departure detection. Okay, masuk.
Overspeed warning.
Overspeed pula you, sudah laju. Okay, so that is the speeding warning, which he has actually exceeded the speed. Jangan risau belakang ada escort belakang ada escort. Belum keluar lagi.
Belum.
Okay, tak apa, you bawa dulu sampai dia lane you. Okay, nampak? Dia sudah keluar daripada dia main lane tanpa letak signal, lane departure sudah keluar. Dia 3 kali you buat, 3 kali dia keluar terus. Okay? Saya tengok you akan buat U-turn kan dekat sini, bro. Okay, you U-turn dulu, then kita akan the next one I'm going to show you is basically the front collision. If it's too close to the vehicle, then the system will actually tell you that look here, you're too close to the vehicle. Alright, that is my truck. Jangan risau, itu truck saya, itu pickup saya. Alright, simulate sekarang, close proximity. You see that? Front collision warning dah terus detected dah. Okay, memang sudah ada. Berapa kali you nak dekat dia? So also kat sana you boleh tengok tak harsh dengan harsh acceleration. Terus saya baru nak cakap, bila dia terlalu dekat dah harsh braking, dia dah detect dah. You tiba-tiba apa pasal brake? Why you suddenly brake? Okay, and then you have the acceleration because he wants to catch up, again harsh acceleration. So all this data ni we can now also dapat untuk apa? Untuk monitor driver punya behavior, driving behavior. Ciwa, saya macam dia punya company punya orang pula. Driver behavior punya statistik you can do. Whether dia suka tekan brake, dia sudah tekan laju cepat dan sebagainya. Okay? Alright. Okay, so that covers the ADAS part of it. So advanced driver system. Now we will go on to the more of the DMS, which is the driver management system. So this one, some companies are very particular. They would like to put all of this information or control the driver. So what happened is, dah sampai ke bro? Sudah nak sampai? Okay.
Ya, sudah nak sampai.
Alright, the reason why I asked them to go into this specific lane is that because now they have the distraction, I don't want anybody to be around. So this place that they are going is no cars at all. Okay, tak ada kereta langsung. Alright, so just bear with me. Okay, cantik. Lepas tu Di dah boleh terus rokok dah. Okay, so first one, if let's say you have some policies not to have the driver smoking inside the cabin, what will happen is that boleh detect smoking juga. Okay? Okay, can So as long as you put, they will detect. Handphone pula sekarang.
Okay, what?
Baru cakap tak ada kereta masuk.
How do we know this is automated, not you pushing the button?
Hah? Mana button? Saya mana ada button sini?
So,
Okay,
phone
sorry
dah keluar.
ini apa tapi sudah keluar.
Mobile
Okay?
phone.
Dia punya connection sana
phone
apa.
station.
Sorry dia kacau saya lah. Ui, orang buat demo lah. Please. Okay, so the handphone sudah buat. Next one is what? I pun sudah lupa. Distraction. Ada awek kat sebelah sana ke? Tengok sikit. Awek Cun mana? Sana tak ada awek Cun. Okay, lori. Okay, sorry lori ada sana. Lepas dulu Dam. I rasa sini tak sesuai untuk buat demo. You keluar daripada lane ni dulu baru jalan.
Boleh buat.
Sorry guys, safety first so just bear with me. Okay, next punya ialah distraction. Pandang tepi untuk tengok awek.
Driver distraction.
So dia sudah pandang tepi. Ada one girl with a short skirt. Dia sudah few seconds sudah pandang. Then driver distraction keluar. Okay. So next one is the last two, which is yawning and also fatigue. Maknanya dia mengantuk dengan dia menguap. Menguap is it?
Menguap.
Menguap. Okay. So boleh test bro?
Menguap kena tutup mulut.
Warning. Please drive carefully.
So yawning sudah ada. Second punya mengantuk. Okay. Mengantuk. Adi, you jaga sikit Adi.
Okay.
Oi, itu sudah mati tu. Apa ni sistem? Sudah mati belum lagi detect. Aduh. Saya nak nyuruh lah. Baru nak keluar baju dah. Tak detect lagi. Anggap detect je lah. Anda detect je. Dia tak mengantuk tu, tak mengantuk.
Sebab
itu
dia tak
nampak
mengantuk tu, dia tak boleh tipu, dia tak boleh tipu sistem.
Tengah cover, dia tak ada mengantuk. So okay, jalan. Anyway guys, that's my demo for today. Okay, thank you very much. I pass it back to the guys. Guys, nanti masuk untuk lunch cepat hala. Alright, guys.
Okay, thank you Mr. Dom.
Sorry. Ayah, saya ada lagi satu lah. Bagi saya, I nak berpantun sikit. Boleh tak?
Okay.
I nak berpantun sikit. Mesti lebih sikit.
Lambat lah you.
Sorry lah. Relax lah. I tadi dah panik dah. Tak boleh keluar tu. Okay. Lori besar gagah di jalan raya. Muatan dibawa, selamat sejahtera. ADAS menjaga, pandu berjaya. Elak bahaya, cegah malapetaka. Pemandu fokus, jangan leka. DMS memantau setiap ketika. Teknologi pintar bersama kita. Keselamatan terjamin, hidup sejahtera. Thank you guys.
Okay, thank you Mr. Dom. So for me to close the presentation today, so based on our live demo, right? So the customer can monitor the alert lively. So meaning they can get the alert in live and then they can inform to the driver immediately also if the driver fatigue to stop rest. And then I want to add additional also, our device is capable to intercom to the driver via system. So you don't need to call via handphone, you just press the button in the system to communicate with the driver. Okay, so that's all from my side. And then if have any question, you can visit our booth on below there. And then that's all. Thank you.
Thank you Cik Faris from the Vertex, Vehicle Tech. And also Mr. Dominic Martin, dia pakai banyak role hari ni. Okay, thank you. So it is clear that innovation will play a key role in helping the haulage industry achieve higher safety standards.